Hey everyone, so I have plant mail. I received plant mail today, so I just thought instead of doing Instagram Live, I'm gonna open the package and record a video. So just removing. So I think it's been over a month since I ordered these plants. So they're overseas plants, imported here in the US. So I'm so excited to see how I got them. Okay. So far, so let's see. Yeah, I do have 3 plants here. First one is this. Okay, let's open it carefully. You can see the leaf peeking. So this is taped very nicely, secured with a lot of tape and paper, which is good. Let's start to open it. Okay. First plant is this one. Oh my god. Okay, so I ordered one, I'm not sure if it was last year or a few months back, and it didn't make it because it had thrips, I think, or mites was it? It was spider mites. And I didn't realize, so I ordered another one. But this one's like a smaller version. It's actually a varicosum. Is that right? Yeah, this is a varicosum. So look at the gorgeous leaves. So I just need to allow this to acclimate and should be fine. Okay, how do I keep this here? Okay. So that's our first plant. Let's just clean up as we go. Then, next plant would be this one. So this one I'm so excited about because I've been wanting to have one for the longest time, but of course, prices are insane everywhere, so it just pays out to wait every now and then. So I'm just gonna cut. These are packed nicely, so they're kind of secure in between papers and some tape. Okay, this looks different and not the one that I'm expecting, but let's see. Okay, this was supposed to be a Philodendron elegans, which it isn't. Anyways, feedback to the seller, got the wrong plant, but it looks like a, I don't know, like Philodendron narrow leaf form of something, like a sawtooth jungle boogie thingy. I don't know, but it was supposed to be an elegance. So funny. Anyways, then the third one, okay, the third one is, okay. Let's open this. Ooh. So this is a philodendron. An Anthurium wyrock and an Anthurium waterburyanum cross. I'm so glad this one didn't come damaged this time. So it's so pretty. Look at the leaves, they're so shimmery. I'm not sure if you can see it, but they're shimmery. So those are today's plant haul. I'm quite disappointed because one of the plants that I got, I think they sent me the wrong thing, definitely. Because it's not the one that I ordered. I ordered a philodendron elegans, and what was shipped was totally something else. So that will be something to feedback on the seller. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna acclimate the plants for some time, give them some time to adjust to your home environment. This is so funny, I swear. This isn't the right elegance that I'm thinking of. And that was the plant that I'm most excited about. The others I was just like, okay, might as well make it worth it, you know, to pay for shipping, to wait for time and stuff like that. But I'm so glad that this one turned out very perfect. And then I'll show you the varicosum that I'm trying to redeem myself at, because the first one didn't fare well. So that will be today's haul. These are the plants that I got today. Thank you for watching.